Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Live Edition. Today we have iPhone 11 Pro Max and it's a quite nice phone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce or increase your display white points on your screen. So in order to do that, you can get into the settings. In the settings you will find accessibility. I don't see accessibility here actually. In the settings you will find accessibility, so get into the accessibility. In the accessibility you can see display and text size. Click on it, and here you can find these options: bold text, large text, and reduce transparency. We not gonna disturb that. Increase contrast, and no. So here at the end you can see reduced white points. So if you say reduced white points by 61%, as you can see the display is going down. And if you change the brightness, it will you can see the difference between the brightness and this white points. So I am just gonna keep this white points at 40%. So in the 40%, 38% it's fine for me. So here, as you can see your brightness, you can also put them upside down, and this is, sorry about that, we need to get back into the display and text and size. So this is how you change your reduced white points on your screen. So, and it's gonna affect your display brightness, and this is how you change your display white points in the accessibility settings. Thanks for watching.